Good evening, everyone. It is May 24th, 2017. We're doing a quick one-box break, 2016-17 Upper Deck Black Diamond Hockey, number 193. 2 random teams each. So, let's roll the dice. That's a 4 and a 2, so that's 6 times. 6 times on these lists of names, starting with Michael Van Wy, ending with David B. Last spot mojo. And from the Ducks to the Jets. That was 4, 5, 6. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th and final time. Alrighty, guys, after 6 times. David, you're at the top. David, you're at the bottom. Let's open up a quick Google sheet. Alrighty. Now let's go 6 times on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final time. After 6 times, Blue Jackets at the top. Blackhawks are at the bottom. Alright, so David, you got the Blue Jackets and Stars. Nat with the Red Wings. Michael Van Wy with the Lightning. David with the Rangers. John S. with the Senators. David, you got the Toronto Maple Leafs. Congrats. Sabres, Oilers, Sharks, Coyotes, Wild, Capitals. Michael G, you got the Hurricanes. Michael Van Wy with the Panthers. David, you also have the Winnipeg Jets. Michael with the Canadiens. David B with the Islanders and Flames. Michael, you have the Penguins. David B with the Flyers. Last spot mojo. Kings, Devils, Predators. Michael Van Wy with the Canucks. Nat with the Ducks. John S. with the Avalanche. And David, you got the Blues, Bruins, and Blackhawks. So I'm going to quickly pause this video, see if there's any trades. If not, we'll come back and open up this quick one-box break of Black Diamond Hockey. So stick around, guys. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades, so here's the list again. Number 193. David with the Blackhawks and Flyers as his last spot mojo. Like I said, guys, 3 boxes remaining. 1, 2, and 5, right? 1, 2, and 5, yes. Let's generate one of these boxes right here with a true random number generator. True random number generator above me. 1, 2, or 5. 2. There it is. Box 2 was generated. So we'll be doing this box. The next 2 boxes will be for future breaks, and the other one-box break is now in the store. So good luck, guys. One exquisite bonus pack. It's a Black Diamond back. Use this blank to cover up the hits. Alrighty. Good luck to everyone. 36 of 249, Jack Eichel. Buffalo Sabres going to David B. Alright, let me go get some more penny sleeves. We had ran out. We got some in yesterday. Let me just put one of these back into my little tray right here. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Continue on with the break. Team Logo Rookie Jumbos. Team Logo Jumbo, sorry. Yari Curry. I was going to say Yari Curry ain't no rookie. Edmonton Oilers. That is going to David B as well. Yeah, I hope so too, man. That'd be great. Run for the cup. Jack Eichel. 34 of 99. Also going to David B. Next one. Nice. 29 of 50. Adam Henrique for the Devils. Also going to David B. Last card here. Good luck. Ooh, nice patch. Look at this. 3 colors, 1, 2, and a little bit of white right there. Black Diamond Rookie Signature Materials. Lawson Krause, 1 of 25. That is a nice one for the Coyotes and David B. That is pretty sweet. Hockey patches never fail. Alright, exquisite bonus pack. Good luck. $36 of 99, Pavel Saka. Going to the Devils and David B, who swept this break. Did get 10 spots, so did increase his chances. And there you go. Wow, guys, no rookie diamond relic through the first 3 boxes. There could be 1 monster or maybe 2 left in the last 2 boxes. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.